Hello and welcome to this short video about Introduction to Phonology. My name is Surur Azam and I made this video for university students and anyone who is curious about linguistics. In this video, I'm going to talk about phonology, which is another subfield of linguistics. In our previous video, we learned about phonetics, the study of speech sounds. We explored how sounds are produced, transmitted, and perceived. Today, we're going one step further and exploring phonology. While phonetics studies speech sounds as physical phenomena, phonology studies how these sounds function within a language. Phonology studies how sounds are organized and used in language. It investigates the patterns, rules, and relationships among sounds. Unlike phonetics, which focuses on how sounds are physically produced, phonology asks questions such as, why do certain sounds distinguish meaning? Why can some sounds occur together while others can't? How do speakers unconsciously know the sound patterns of their language? In short, phonology studies the sound system of a language. Let's compare phonology with phonetics. Phonetics examines actual speech sounds and how they are articulated. Phonology examines how those sounds work within a particular language. For example, phonetics studies how the sound p is produced with the lips. Phonology studies whether changing that sound changes the meaning of a word. So phonetics studies sound themselves, while phonology studies the organization of sounds. Now let's see what is a phoneme. Phoneme is the smallest sound that can distinguish meaning. Consider the words pin and bin. They differ only in one sound, p and b. Because changing one sound changes the meaning of the word, p and b are separate phonemes in English. Now let's see how linguistics identify phonemes. One common method is through minimal pairs. A minimal pair consists of two words that differ by only one sound and have different meanings. Look at the examples. Pin, bin, cat, caught, fan, ban. Minimal pairs provide evidence that two sounds are distinct phonemes in a language. What are allophones? One phoneme gets different pronunciations. The example shows that letter T is pronounced differently in these three words. In the first word, top, T is pronounced with a puff of air that comes out of your mouth. However, in the second word, stop, this does not happen. And in the last word, water, T is pronounced like the. So phonology studies when and why such variations occur. Phonological rules. Languages have sound rules. See the following examples. The plural ending is written with the letter S, but it is pronounced differently in different words. In cats, it sounds like S. In dogs, it sounds like Z. So phonologists study these hidden sound patterns. Why phonology is important? Phonology helps language learners improve pronunciation. It helps teachers understand learners' pronunciation difficulties. It contributes to speech recognition systems and artificial intelligence. and it helps linguists to understand how language organizes sounds. Let's have a review on what we have learned. Phonology studies the organization of sounds within a language. A phoneme is the smallest sound unit that can change meaning. Minimal pairs help us identify phonemes. Allophones are different pronunciations of the same phoneme. And language contains systematic sound patterns known as phonological rules. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.